How to change name on Ring app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to reset your profile name on Ring application. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, tap to launch Ring app on your phone. Make sure that you logged into your account. Head towards three-line icon at top left corner and this menu will open where you need to choose account setting. Now you will land on the section where you get account information. Simply choose first and last name. Now you will reach on Control Center. Under Personal, you need to locate name and tap Update next to it. First, you have to verify your identity by entering your password and tap Continue. Now from this section, you can easily delete your first name and last name and re-enter the other new name which you want to keep. After that, tap Save button and you will change the name on your Ring applications account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.